Oppo Find X. Oppo Find X has Android 8.1, or AO, operating system. Its CPU is octa-core, 4x2, 8 GHz Cryo 385 Gold and 4x1, 7 GHz Cryo 385 Silver. Its chipset is Qualcomm SDM845 Snapdragon 845. Its GPU is Adreno 630. It has 128 256 GB internal memory and 8 GB RAM. It has no card slot. Its primary camera is pop-up dual, 16 megapixel, f/2.0, 1/2.6, 1.2 to micrometers, pdf, OI plus 20 megapixel, f/2.0, 1/2.8, 1.0 micrometers, dual LED dual-tone flash. Camera features a geotagging, touch focus, face detection, HDR, panorama. Its video camera is 2160 pixel at 30 fps, 1080 pixel at 240 fps, 720 pixel at 480 fps. Its secondary camera is pop-up 25 MP, f/2.0. Its alert types of vibration, MP3, wave ringtones. It has Wi-Fi 802.11a/b/g/n/ac, dual band, Wi-Fi direct, hotspot. Its Bluetooth is 5.0, 8.2dp, LA. Its USB is 2.0, Type-C 1.0 reversible connector, USB on the go. Its sensors are Face ID, accelerometer, gyro, proximity, compass. Its display size is 6.42 inches, 101.2 square centimeters, 87.0% screen-to-body ratio, and display resolution is 1080 by 2340 pixels, 19.5:9 ratio, 401 pi density. Its body dimensions are 156.7 by 74.2 by 9.4 mm, 6.17 by 2.92 by 0.37 in. Its weight is 186 grams, 6.56 ounces. It has dual SIM, nano SIM, dual standby. It has non-removable Li-ion 3730 mAh battery. Oppo Find X is in Bordeaux red and glacier blue colors. Its price is about €1,000. It has announced in 2018, June, and status is coming soon. Express release 2018, August.